We're here at the Krystal building here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and check out what we have here. You get some Westies that have been modernized by Otis. This is awesome. Julian, these are the original. This is an interesting system. So these used to be Westinghouse. What's up? Modded by Otis, which is so weird. Look at that. As you can see, they're doing some work out there. Let's go down to 2. No, let's end the basement. There we go. There's a phone. This is cool. Send it down here. I'll show them something. These actually are Westies, see? They call station screens Westie, but they've been modded by Otis. See, look at that. Yeah, we'll go back to 1. Look at that. Yeah, that was cool. And I guess that is going to be it for me.